Alright, this is cqcacademy with Close Quarters Combat Academy. I'm making a video on how to do a kick bump. I want to give a shout out to Move with Maya. I'm going to kind of show my tips and pointers on how I train to do this. So the first thing is you're going to learn to do Supermans to get the arch in your back that you need. Okay? So, here, now I want to hold here, get that arch. Lifting as much as I can. Okay? Okay? After you get able to do this, we're going to do this the same way, except we're going to be on our back. We're going to hollow out, so we put our legs kind of straight, put our hands up, and lift the back. So we're here. Again, hold that arch, because we need that arch when we start to rotate. When we kick, we don't want to kick straight up, because then we fall right back on our back. We have to kick kind of out, and when we kick out, we kind of go in an arch to land, okay? So we need that flex in the back, okay? That. Next thing is we're going to do crunches. We have to learn to hold tension in our core and our legs so that as we start to kick up, our legs lift up and rotate and pull that tension. If we have no tension, we stretch out and then we flop. So, hold here. Lower abs, mid abs are really important. You don't want to bend your neck up. We're here. The more of these you do, the better. When I was learning this, my dad said do hundreds of them a day until you get strong enough to actually hold that. And I was just obsessed as a kid to do it because I watched Ninja Turtles. I wanted to do it. The next thing we're going to be doing is learning how to rock up to get that momentum. So we're going to start here. Keep this chamber, okay, hollow body. So we're actually arching the back a little bit, the opposite way, or rounding the back, I should say. Roll, come up. Roll, come up. Roll, come up. Then we're going to get to the point where we start to roll and come up to our feet. We might have to widen our stance a little bit so that we have room to fall into it. Okay? One of the things we don't want to try to do is pull our feet under us and then pull ourselves up like an arch or a back bend. We don't want to do that. The hands can go back this way. They kind of give you a stopgap and give you a little bit of push. Then we roll up to a low squat. If you can't sit in a low squat, you want to work on your hip flexibility to get to this point. It makes it way easier. Later on, you can do chip-ups to like actually go all the way to standing, but this is the easiest part to stand here. And roll back. Hands, roll up. Okay? Once you can roll up and get comfortable here without overcommitting or falling backwards, then you're ready to actually start practicing the kipping up and kicking your legs. The first part is you're going to learn to kind of kick up to get the power generation without actually leaving the ground. So over here, go down, up, down, up, down. Okay? After you can do all of that and you're comfortable with that, now we're going to start leaving the ground. So remember not to kick up, but slightly like 65 degrees to arch and then come over. You have to get that arc in the back, okay? The hands aren't really there to actually make you launch, it's the legs. The hands are more like a stopgap, like a runner's block, give you something to push off of. Okay? So, goes back. If you go forward, fine. This is good, you have enough power. Okay? So now you know you have enough power, now you just calibrate. Rock. And come on up. Rock. And come on up. If you're having trouble getting the arch you need and the lift up the ground, you can use something to stack to give your hips a little bit of elevation. So I'll use this. It might be too high, but whatever, however much you need. Then you just sit on it. You're gonna droop yourself over the back. And then you'll practice rocking up. Right? After you get there, okay, that's too much, that's too easy. Take one of the pieces away. Rock. Up. kick, up. Take that away. Here. Cool. And you do that as a progression until you get down to the point where you're picking yourself up. Hope that helps. The arc in the back is the main ingredient to get you to move. You want to think about pouring your mass on top of your base like a slinky moves. So when you push the slinky down the step, it spills over into one spot and then pours itself on top before it goes on the next step. That's how you want to do with your kip up. Shoot your mass over, your feet land, and the rest of your torso falls on top of it. Does that make sense? I hope. You can practice on that if you want. So if you mess up, you don't have the hard. Yeah. Great. Thank you for watching. Thank you again, Maya. Hope that helps.